Plant-based meat, rethinking protein, the rise of plant-based meats and their complex implications. In the US, about 5% of people consider themselves vegan, while about 3% consider themselves strict vegetarians. Amidst climate change, health concern, and ethical debates, a groundbreaking innovation has emerged: plant-based meat substitute. Plant-based meats are designed to mimic the taste, texture, and nutritional value of traditional meats using ingredients derived from plants. Companies like Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat have pioneered technologies that use ingredients such as heme from fermented yeast and blends of plant proteins to recreate a sensory experience of meat. This isn't just about offering alternatives to vegetarians, but aims to reduce the environmental impact of traditional meat production. These products replace the sensory experience of meat using plant-derived ingredients, which brings us to question: what really makes meat meat? Definition: as known as a statement of a meaning of a word or word group or a sign or symbol. Meat, as the Oxford English Dictionary describes it, is flesh animals use as food, including fish and sometimes poultry, and usually in contrast to the bones and other inedible parts. But it turns out that this innovation product, plant-based meat, also known as meat, is not meant in the proper sense. On Quora, a question and answer site, the question was raised as to whether plant-based meat is a good choice, and one Joseph Scholar gave his answer: there is no such thing as plant-based meat is by definition meat flesh. There are plant-based meat substitutes, but they are not meat. One of the most important parts of communication is using the language correctly. When a brand new product comes along, especially food, people naturally start to look at the raw materials and how it's produced. For consumers, one of the reasons why the emergence of plant-based meat is leading to more and more people choosing plant-based food is because of concern about environmental impact of traditional meat production. In people's value and preference about meat consumption in view of a potential environmental impacts of meat. A mixed message systematic review wrote by Claudia Velli, Department of Pediatrics, he mentioned, besides the availability of and access to food, individuals' food choices are influenced by a wide range of factors, including biological, psychological, social, cultural, and historical influence. The big push of plant-based meat has led to greater awareness of long-term impact of food production on the plant's environment, which in turn has sparked concern about the sustainability of broader patterns of food production and consumption, influence people's choices about food. As we redefine what meat can be, we also open up a broader dialogue about the impact of our food choice on the planet. Plant-based meats challenge us to rethinking not only our diets, but also how our consumption patterns affect the world around us. Thank you for watching.